Hi, I'm Gabrielle Herendeen, and welcome to my latest listing, 615 North Juanita Avenue, unit number A in South Redondo Beach. This is an immaculate, freestanding front unit townhome of a 2-on-a-lot, and I can't wait to show you the inside. This is a reverse floor plan, so all of the bright and airy living space is together upstairs. Enter here for the first 2 of 3 bedrooms. Also on this level, you'll find a full hall bathroom and a convenient laundry room complete with a sink. These rich hardwood floors continue even out to the attached 2-car garage with storage space. And speaking of storage, there's tons of it here. Step right up to this incredible living space. It's flooded with beautiful natural lighting, soaring ceilings, and is an open, truly great room. The living space is warmed by this beautiful travertine fireplace. This home offers an impressive 3 balconies for enjoying the ocean breeze and letting in the sunshine. There's this formal dining room, great for entertaining, or enjoy casual conversation at the bar. If the kitchen is the heart of your home, then this is the home for you. Here we have abundant cabinetry, granite slab countertops, stainless steel appliances, including a 5-burner gas stove, and even a prep sink. And there's a half bathroom right off the living space. Step into your primary suite with cathedral ceilings, dual closets including a walk-in, the second balcony, and a full bathroom with stand-up shower, spa tub, and dual sinks. This flexible ocean view loft is connected to the living space, features plenty of room for whatever suits your needs, and ocean views out from Malibu to Palos Verdes. So thank you for joining me on this first look of my latest listing. Please reach out today to arrange for your own private tour.